Hi everyone. Welcome to the HuntBee YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to address a problem most OpenCart store owners face, managing SEO efficiently. If you're managing a lot of products, categories, or information pages, you know how time-consuming it can be to update SEO content. And if you've hired an SEO expert to manage this for you, the situation isn't much better. It still involves updating items one at a time. The same applies to categories, information pages, and manufacturers. Now, you might also notice additional SEO fields in your OpenCart forms, such as H1, H2, or Image Alt, Image Title fields. These aren't part of the default OpenCart setup. In our case, we've installed the SEO On-Page Tags Generator extension, which adds these fields to the system. While these are useful for advanced SEO, managing them manually only adds to the workload. That's where the SEO Quick Editor for OpenCart comes in. With this extension, you can manage all these items quickly and efficiently. It gives you a complete table view of your SEO data, so you can edit fields directly and save time. Let me show you how it works. I will install the SEO Quick Editor now. Navigate to Extensions, Installer. Click on Upload button. Choose the SEO Quick Editor file. Go to SEO Extensions, click All SEO Apps. Find SEO Quick Editor. Click on the Install button. The extension is now installed. Click on the Edit button. Here's what the SEO Quick Editor looks like. As you can see, the interface is clean and intuitive, featuring a table view that's divided into tabs, products, categories, information pages, and manufacturers. Let's start by exploring the Products tab. In this tab, you can edit fields such as Name, Description, Meta Title, Meta Description, Meta Keywords, Product Tags, H1, H2, Image Alt, Image Title, SEO URL Keyword. To make an update, simply click on any cell and type in your changes. It's as easy as working in Excel. The best part? Every change you make is saved automatically in real time, no need to click a Save button. Let's talk about column customization. You can show or hide columns based on what you want to focus on. For example, if you only want to work on meta titles and SEO URL keywords, you can hide the other columns. These settings can also be saved, so every time you return, your preferred view is ready to go. Finding specific data is quick and simple with advanced filters and sorting options. You can search for a product by ID, name, model, or SKU, or even by product tags. Similarly, for categories you can search by category name or ID, for manufacturers by manufacturer name or ID, and for informations by information title or ID. Sorting is just as easy. Choose to sort by ID, name, or date modified to organize your data. If your store supports multiple languages, this feature is a game changer. At the top, you'll see a language selector. Simply choose the language you want to edit, and the table updates to show the corresponding fields. This makes managing multi-language SEO seamless and efficient. Another standout feature is the SEO URL automation. When you enter a URL keyword, the extension automatically replaces spaces with hyphens, ensuring SEO-friendly URLs. It also validates existing keywords to prevent duplicates. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of SEO errors. If you've installed our SEO On-Page Tags Generator, this extension becomes even more powerful. You'll gain access to additional editable fields like H1 tags, H2 tags, Image Alt texts, Image Title texts. This integration gives you complete control over both basic and advanced SEO elements. You can also edit the description easily. Double-click on the cell. It will open the editor pop-up. You can make changes and click on the Save button. The description will be updated. To recap, the SEO Quick Editor helps you in saving time with real-time autosave and direct table editing. Work smarter with customizable views and advanced filters. Easily manage multi-language SEO content. Improve your SEO performance with automation and validation. Whether you're fixing duplicate keywords, preparing for a seasonal sale, or managing a global store, this extension simplifies everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.